mo kong. Lalapit sa'yo yan, sige. Walking na. Walking chicken. Ano yun na? Palapit na sa'yo. Going to you, sama. What you say? Ala, kay mami. Pupunta si kay mami. Ala, the chicken. The chicken. Ah, the chicken gonna eat mami. Paano maglakad ang chicken?
Ano chicken walk?
Ano na? Chicken na. Look, oh. Go inside. Kuya. How many? 8. 8 sila eating? One more, I think. 10. Ano sa kuya?
Look at this. This is how you eat. This is how you eat.
Ako? Talaga naman.
You gobble them all up. You put them in your mouth. Then you go up. Then you chew them all.
Crunch. Kuya, atlas ka.
You're done. They're done now.
Done na?
No, they're going to the next one. Go to the inside.
Sama.
I know, yeah.
Ay, oo, kinukuha na nila yung iba. Oh, yung ibang container.
Can we get okay?
Okay. Huwag ka masyado lumapit, Simon.
Come here.
Nag-aagawan sila dun sa ano. Kulang, bitin. Sama, lali ka. Going to eat? Nagpupo? Nagpupo. Naku, nagpupo. Nakita mo? Sama, nagpupo. Baho. Nagpupo sa harap mo, Simon, ano? Baho. Pupo. Eating yung bunny? How? Ganun mag-eat yung bunny? Ganun nga kaya. Ganun nga.
What is it?
What's that?
What is that? What is that? Chicken?
Ganon, chicken. Ganon yung chicken, Sawa? Sleeping yung bunny? Ganon?
Ganun na ginagawa.
Ha? Paano yung rooster? Seven?
So, nagiging.
Paano? Seven?
Puro ice cream.
Ay, yung goat. Paano? Seven?
What the goat says? What the goat says? No, goat says.
Say hi. May nag-slide na ba na goat? Pwede nyo na ba nag-slide yung goat? Nag-slide ko siya, diba? Hi, Bunny. Sleeping na naman. Ah, ang daming ano. Chicken mo.
How many chickens in your house? How many chicken? All of them?
Tama ba? Six?
Yeah.
No, tama mag-count si Cyril. Naku, mahirap. Oh, 11. Naging 11 na.
Happy birthday. Count number is 11.
Hi, goat. Oo, ang daming shoot. May slide pa talaga sila, oh. Say hi, hi, sheep. Bye-bye. Bye-bye na. Oh, bye.
Say bye-bye to goat now.
Bakit? Kaya takot yung chicken